The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. In the Kupiansk direction, the attacks launched by aviation and artillery of the Zapad group of forces have resulted in the neutralization of the enemy units close to Dvorechnoye of Kharkov region and Novoselovskoye of Lugansk People's Republic. In addition, the actions of sabotage and reconnaissance group was suppressed close to Kotlerovka of Kharkov region. The enemy losses were over 60 Ukrainian servicemen, 1 armored fighting vehicle, 2 motor vehicles, 2 Grad MLRS, 1 US-made M109 Paladin artillery system and 1 Akatsiya self-propelled artillery system. In the Krasny Liman direction, the attacks launched by operational tactical and army aviation, as well as artillery of the center group of forces, have resulted in the neutralization of the Ukrainian units and military equipment close to Torskoye of Donetsk People's Republic. 2 sabotage and reconnaissance groups have been eliminated close to Chervonaya Dibrova and Kremenная of Lugansk People's Republic. The enemy losses were over 75 Ukrainian servicemen, 3 armored fighting vehicles, 3 pickup trucks, 1 Akatsiya self-propelled artillery system and 1 D-20 howitzer. In total, 422 airplanes, 230 helicopters, 4,099 unmanned aerial vehicles, 421 air defense missile systems, 9,108 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles, 1,100 fighting vehicles equipped with MLRS, 4,796 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 10,141 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
The other side from Kiev, the armed forces of Ukraine May 12 said in an official statement that Russia lost 750 servicemen in a single day, including 5 tanks, 8 armored combat vehicles, 15 artillery system and 9 drones. In total, Kremlin lost 197,670 servicemen. Ukraine shows footage of destroying Russia MLRS Grad. President of Ukraine Volodymyr Zelensky swears to repel all Russian invaders. Russia and Ukraine conflict has been lasting for 443 days. There are still not peace agreements between two sides.
Terima kasih sudah nonton, jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya!